Hi everyone, this is my channel, The Freedom of Love. So my basic overview is that I was trying to give people a chance to feel happy and feel proud and feel free even though they go through the hard times. And specifically, I was looking for resources for cancer families, whether they have lost a loved one or they have a loved one in. My persona was a spouse or a teenager of people who have had cancer before. So my strategy for gaining followers was just to put a bunch of inspiration, a bunch of fun pictures and polls and questions to get people thinking about life and how fun it is. These are just some simple samples of my content. A lot of the pictures that I took were pictures that I had put on myself. One of my favorite posts is when I actually mentioned the Shannon Wilker Foundation that is located out in Idaho Falls. I actually called and talked to him this semester, and he was telling me about all the great work that he's been doing. And he has another event coming up in September for anyone who's interested in that, and that's why I promoted his website. The reason that I did this was because I have dealt with family members having cancer and stuff like that. And so it takes a lot to be strong and to not care, or not to not care, but to really feel empowered, like you've got control of your life. So my top tweets this semester, none of them got retweeted, but all of them had over 700 impressions. I did not get as many followers, unfortunately, as I was hoping for. I have 26 people following me. I'm following 26 people. I only have 15 people following me. I do have 2 likes, which was really good. I really appreciated that. Kind of some lessons that I learned moving forward is that sometimes the topic is not always going to be something that takes straight off. And I really hope that I can continue this, but maybe try for another social media site, because sometimes you also have to look for social media sites that are a lot more popular. And for some weird reason, I feel like Twitter has become a lot less popular. So also, I think another big thing is that sometimes personal content isn't always the best content to put out there, but then there are some where it really does move people. And that's really my biggest thing, is I wanted to move people and I wanted them to understand how others are feeling. My strategy this semester was to tweet every week. I think I could have tweeted more. I definitely learned that lesson, to tweet more and to maybe interact a little bit more. So this is my channel, and thanks for a great semester.